Hey YouTube, so today I will be playing my Angela, so let's get right into the video. And yes, my Talking Angela has updated. This is what the cover looks like, so yeah. And if you haven't seen the game, then here's what it'll look like. And you guys should comment down below if I should make a part 2 of it, if you like it. Or if I should make it 2 parts. So, let's go. Let me turn down the volume. When were you born? I was born in 2006. Oh, she's so adorable. Pet me, please. I'm hungry. Let's go to the kitchen. She's already hungry. Okay, guys. Time to brush my teeth. Let's go to the bathroom. Woo-wee, your teeth dirty. Oh, it's green. Oh. Scrub. I'm brushing your bath. I knew it. Might as well stop it. Scrub. Let's go to the bedroom. Oh, the face. Night, Angela. Don't use your real name. Fine, I'll use my name, Angela. Angela. Ooh, cozy slap arms. Okay, anyway, that didn't matter. So, let's go and collect our stickers. I wonder what the 5 stickers will be. So, wait. So, her happiness is kind of full. And yeah, so, hang on. I gave everything up, sorry. Okay, I'm back. So, what's new? It's got my shoe collection. Get stylish outfit worn by Angela. Fashion studio background and new stickers. Amazing. Ooh, the 5 new stickers. Welcome to your store album. We have new stickers. Rare. This game goes around like crazy. I've loved to get new stickers. Cool. Okay, so let's have her play a game. Let's play Balloon Splash. That seems easy. How do they drop to 0? This is pretty fun. Oh, I get what it is. Great, what can I do now? Guess this one. Oh, it's level 2, that's not so good. Next one is 19 coins, so it's better than 0. Ooh, this guy high. Oh, stickers. game. No, I don't know. Just close the video. I don't care about my reward. No, I got 14. That's kinda good. How much can I start in? Skip. 6. Let's have it connect. This last one will be fun. Oh, connect the jellies next to the bad ones instead of just okay. I'm so sorry. This might be the question. Come on, it's really too easy. Turn it on. And these ads are so annoying. Skip. No, skip. Oh, 38 coins. Not so bad. Let me check about Angela. See how she's doing. Word room. Final date. She needs hair. All these hairs cost so much. Put on some lipstick. Oh, they all looks. Come on. They don't have a break. Whatever. Eyeliner, eyeshadow. What the fuck is it? Oh, this is lipstick. Come on. I think I can put on this blush. Oops. I should make that into a song. Okay. Fine. Looks up what I have. Yeah. She's a little bit hungry. Eat some of that and then drink. What? Yay, you're leveling up 4% faster. That's probably anything. How do I do that? It's so dirty. I feel like I'm doing this for you every day, Angela. Clean it out. Damn, boom, we must make it dirty. Ooh, look at that. Skip. X. Don't worry, guys. When I make part 2, it's gonna be better. And without ads. And I'll show you how. So, get her washed up. Get her showered. She's nice and cool. All she needs to do is go to bed. Here my find new stickers. Please give me over here. Okay, pretty good, I guess. 3. Ooh, I forgot number 1. Yes, finally, I got lipstick. Collect. Put on all our lipstick. It would be better for us, like. Wait, I don't finish putting them. Okay. Then with the hairstyle. No. I do like it. It's a bit cute. It's like, where's my Angela? No, I'm still recording. Oh my gosh, these ads are so annoying. Close the video. Why do you show that time thingy? Let me feel like she's gonna eat the whole kitchen up. I keep on feeding her. Next. Wait. I give her and then give her some milk. And then start her more. Go with more. And her teeth are dirty. Every time she eats, her teeth get dirty. Yeah. They're not actually dirty. Okay. Okay, now how am I gonna tell if she's dirty or not? Her skin's already gray. Night night. Well, yes, I like it, but I don't like Facebook. So, well, that's all for today's episode, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you guys want me to make a part 2, then give this video 10 likes on part 2 of Surfing with Angela, and it will be modded, and I'll show you how you can mod it. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, guys.